Do you love exploring places where no one else goes? Are you interested in the latest technology on Earth and up in the air? Do you enjoy math and physics? Do you want to improve the world with artificial intelligence? And are you always up to date with the digital world? Then take a closer look at the Geodesy and Earth Observation degree program at the Technical University of Munich. Over 6 semesters, you will research into topics that move you, literally. Utilizing state-of-the-art technologies, you will be at the forefront of the navigation and mobility of the future. You will develop navigation systems that take us from A to B quickly, safely, and autonomously. Using digital images of the Earth, you will define precise positions in 3D and 4D. You will measure coordinates and transform them into geoinformation systems that are easy to operate and user-friendly. Whether it's the way to the river Isar or all the way to Mars, they'll help you find your path in no time. How about a trip to the mountains? This degree program combines all aspects of observing the Earth. Discover the fascinating world of geodesy at TUM, where observing and digitizing the Earth is your future.